Ever wondered why, despite committing to start saving, you haven't started yet? Guess what? There's more fun when done with friends. Save makes saving easier, simpler, and convenient than ever before. Sign up with just your phone number and start enjoying Save experience with your friends. Next step, create a group. Get your friends to agree on the target of how much you want to save in a given period, from 6 months to 5 years, how frequent you'll be saving, daily, weekly, or monthly, and other specifics. Once the group is set up, invite your friends and family to join by simply adding their names and phone number. Keep in mind that for a group to be active, it needs a minimum of 2 people. With Save, you can view your saving group's info, invite one of your friends to start a group and add as many as you want. Create more than one savings group. That's not all. You can request for loan and social funds. At the end of the cycle, after you have hit your target, any member can trigger Share Out subject for unanimous approval by members, and everyone gets their money plus interest. How does one place their contributions? All contributions, once confirmed, trigger a pop-up from a payment service provider, MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, banks, and many more. When you have cash, spending is sexy, but remember, saving is even sexier. Download Save and start enjoying the fun of saving like never before.